Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Another rainy day here in New Jersey. Great for us crafters though. I love crafting on a rainy day. So, guys, I have three really cool projects for you today. I'm kind of feeling this COVID, so I kind of made two of the projects that are associated with that, but they turned out kind of cute. So this first one, of course, if you haven't figured it out yet, it's a pillow. Now, I follow this Spanish girl. I believe it's called In Casa con Patty, but I will leave her link in the description box. Every time I watch her channel, I get the inspiration to make something like she made, but my own version of it. So yesterday she made a pillow with a gnome on it, actually three gnomes, and it was so adorable. So that gave me the idea to do this pillow. So I went and got some felt, and I had this material here. I have a big box of material that I bought, just like scraps. And I got this felt here. I'm cutting the gray for the body, and this is actually the same way that she did it. Please go to her channel. She is so good. And she does talk in Spanish, but I just turn the volume down and watch her. Okay, so then I made the hat. Of course, it's self-explanatory. It's just a triangle. And then I took the mop from Dollar Tree, separated the strands, and made the beard. Now, I took those white balls, they're styrofoam from Dollar Tree, and I just painted one a tan color for the nose. So then I took some scrap material that I had from Walmart, and I made a mask. Yes, a gnome with a mask. How about that? So this is how my project differs from hers. My gnome has a mask, and I only have one. So I just use a piece of square material, and then I take two of the scraps off a surgical mask. You know, one of those blue ones. I just cut two of the straps off there and use it for my mask. Isn't it adorable? I think it is so cute. It turned out exactly how I figured it would, how I wanted it to. I hope you guys like it as much as I liked making it. Now I'm just stuffing my pillow. I left a small hole open on the bottom. And then I just glue that shut, and here is my finished project. So project number 2 is just a simple little wall decor. I saw this on Pinterest. I don't know if I'm totally happy the way it turned out, but it's okay. I should have looked at the picture again. I just got one of these old boxes that I had from Dollar Tree. And then I had some fabric that I got from Walmart. Now Walmart sells this fabric. It comes with like 5 different kinds, and I think it's like $6, and I love buying it because it's so many different varieties, and you can get like Christmas or, you know, Easter or whatever you want. So I'm just cutting the fabric to go inside the box. And then I'm just going to hang some of these little ornaments from Dollar Tree and a little Merry Christmas sign that I got from Dollar Tree. So this is definitely a Dollar Tree craft. And here you see me hanging the little ornaments and putting the little sign up. And then I also added a little bit of snow on the bottom because I didn't know what to do at the bottom of it. And to be honest, I really didn't feel like painting. So I kind of just rushed this. Even though it was my second project and I still had a third to do, I was kind of excited to do my third project. So I was like rushing through this one. Does anybody ever do that? So I end up putting 3 ornaments on here, and it turned out okay. So here's what my finished project looks like. I hope you like it. So here's another COVID-inspired project, and I'm doing another mask. The only difference is this time I'm making a bag, and I'm also just making the mask, not the gnome. So I decide to make a design on my silhouette cameo because I wanted to say we will never forget 2020. Because will we? Will we ever forget 2020? And God help us if we ever have to go through a year like we've gone through this year. I mean, you got to hand it to us Americans. We're some troopers. You know, we're hanging in there. We're, holding it down. But keep those masks on, guys, please. So I think this turned out really cute. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comments, please. Now, I did stuff this bag with some stuffing just to, for video purposes, but I may give this as a gift and put some stuff in there, maybe some masks, some sanitary lotion, or whatever you call it. Anyway, I just came up with that idea, just some maybe COVID-inspired junk I can put in this bag and give it to somebody. I don't know if that's a very good gift, but we could always use it. I'll throw a roll of toilet paper in there. Who knows? Anyway, I hope everybody's having a nice weekend. I haven't been working, but I am going to go to work tomorrow. My boss has a doctor's appointment, so he asked me if I could come in. I haven't worked in a while, so I'm like, ugh. But I'm kind of excited, to have some normalcy in my life. So guys, please hit that subscribe button. I could really, really use your support. Here's how this project turned. Thanks again for stopping by and taking time out to watch my video. Hit that like button, guys, please, and share my video. It helps my channel so much. Bye-bye.